Hello. Today we're going to take the wheel off of a lawnmower. This is a Husqvarna model right here. First thing you do, of course, is get it jacked up safely off the ground. My mission on this one is I've got to take this wheel off to fix this, and if you're having trouble with this, stay tuned. I'm going to straighten this fender out and weld that in place so it doesn't slide back and forth and pop out like this while I'm cutting grass. But back to where we were. First thing, you have this rubber boot up here. Grab your pliers, squeeze it, pull it off. Next thing, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little key right here. You can, let's see if we can get this off pretty easily with one hand. Hold on tight. Okay, flat screwdriver. This one's slightly bent. Get on the back side of that key there and just pop it off. Take your washer off, and you're gonna need these, so don't lose them. And then you can just, kind of hard to do with one wheel, but your wheel should just pull right off at this point. And of course, to put it back on, you'll do reverse order, and you will take some pliers and you will squeeze this ring back on. You get between the shaft and the back side here, and you squeeze it back on, and then put your rubber cap back on, and there you have it. You have just taken the wheel off of your lawnmower, and the front wheels are working the same fashion. Thank you for watching.